Say hello, Smokey. Hello. Hey, gang. How are you doing? Another day, another week. This is week 4, day 5. Just got back from site. Progress has been pretty swift this week. A lot's gone on. Floors are going down as we speak. And the bathroom floors, downstairs bathroom floors gone down already. Tiles are going up in the upstairs bathroom. Really nice tiles. My assistant is saying, no, they're not nice. Saying they're not nice. You be the judge of that. Anyway, so, and finally the window, French windows have arrived with glass pane. It looks really nice. I think the suggestion by the builder to have that as one single piece of pane of glass really lifts the conservatory. So, top tip, if you're new at doing refurbs and you have a builder, listen to them, at least let them have their say. And if you feel comfortable with it, go with it. I'm really, really happy with how it's turned out. And you'll see in the video clip that we put in after this. So we're nearing the end, and guess what? The builders are going to work again all weekend. I have not asked them to. Well, I suppose in a way I did, because when I engaged them, I said I want to get done in 4 weeks, and this is week 4. And they said, probably 6, and I think we're going to be cutting it halfway through, and by end of week 5 we'll be done. So, full shout out to Rocco and his team, Rocco Wittmann, Matthew and Andrew, and they have worked pretty much every weekend from the very beginning. So basically we clawed back a week. Fantastic. Do excuse the little mark on my face. I cut my lip shaving this morning, and whatever, it'll go. So that's it for now. They're going to work again this weekend, and the floor will be finished. The tiling will be finished. We did spring a little leak into the radiators, and I called the plumber, and he was going to come out tomorrow morning before he did another job. But he just rang me a few minutes ago and said, actually, I'm around there now. And this is 6 o'clock on a Friday evening, and he's come out to sort out the couple of leaks in the radiator. That is brilliant, because I've just put down new floor. We've just put down new floor, and it's leaking on the new wooden floor, and I didn't want that to get ruined. So let's see what happens. We'll have to check in and see, make sure that floor doesn't get damaged, dried out somehow, because it would be really bad form if that brand new floor gets ruined by a leaking radiator. It's not a massive leak, but it still needs sorting out, and it couldn't really wait till tomorrow, I think. So there we have it. If you like these videos and you want to see more of Smokey, who's had a massive nap all afternoon, then please like and subscribe. Click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when another video comes up, which should be early next week, Monday or Tuesday. Have a great weekend, and stay safe. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.